Hello everyone, welcome back to Analytics with Mahindra. This is part 3 of our basic Excel formula series. In part 1 we covered basic formulas like sum, average and count. Part 2 we discussed logical functions such as if and or along with text functions like min, max and trim. In today's video we'll focus on conditional and calculated functions which are extremely important for reporting and analysis. We'll start with SUMIF, COUNTIF and AVERAGEIF. I've created two tables here. The first table is for single condition calculations, where we will use sum if, count if, and average if with just one condition. Let's begin with sum if equal to sum if. I want to calculate the total sales amount per channel. First, I'll select the criteria range, then the criteria, and finally the sum range, which is the sales amount. Once apply the formula, I can drag it down. Excel automatically gives me the total sales for the reseller as well. Right. Next, we'll use COUNTIF equal to COUNTIF. Select the range, then apply the criteria, then drag it, and for the average as well, we'll do it as average if. Define the criteria here, which is channel, and criteria is range. Sorry, channel. See reseller. So here we have not passed the average range here. That's why it's showing errors. If we'll drag it, it will give the result for the reseller as well. Now come to the multiple conditions. Now let's uh, move to the second one, which is for the multiple conditions. When we need to apply more than one condition, we'll use sum ifs equal to sum ifs. Even though some ifs can work with a single condition, its real power comes when we apply multiple conditions. For example, here I want to show you sales amount by channel. So this is the sales amount. Then I have to give the criteria and the criteria range and then criteria. Right? So see, it can give for the single condition as well. But I'm adding one more condition, another condition where I'll pull the data only for the unique ones. Giving another condition here where the unique column would be only one. If I'll drag it, it will give the sales amount for the unique ones. For the seller showing this one and for the reseller showing this one, right? Now I can see the difference in the result. Right? I repeat the same logic for COUNTIFs as well. Go to COUNTIFs, sellers, then for the one. For the average as well, I'll give you same average range, channel, and the unique one. Correct. Now, in this video, we learned about calculate totals, counts, and average averages using single conditions, right? Apply multiple conditions to get more accurate and meaningful insights. Work work with unique values for better reporting. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If there's any specific Excel formula or topic you want me to cover, drop it in the comments. We'll continue the series from basic to advanced, basic to intermediate, and then move to advanced Excel formulas. Will include automation techniques, data cleaning using Power Query, Power Pivot, and advanced reporting using pivot tables as well.